2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a vision of luxury and innovation on wheels. Built for those who seek adventure without compromising on comfort. This masterpiece combines German engineering excellence with the elegance and sophistication that Mercedes-Benz is known for. From the moment you set eyes on it, the sleek aerodynamic body, distinctive LED lighting, signatures, and bold Mercedes emblem on the front grille make a powerful statement. The exterior is designed not only to impress but also to perform, with lightweight yet strong materials that improve fuel efficiency while maintaining durability for long journeys across varied terrains. Large panoramic windows wrap around the structure, flooding the interior with natural light and offering breathtaking views of your surroundings whether you're parked by the coast, deep in the mountains, or in the heart of the city. Step inside, and the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome feels like entering a luxury apartment. The interior is crafted with premium materials including fine leather, polished wood, and brushed aluminum accents. Every inch reflects meticulous attention to detail, from the stitching on the seats to the ambient LED lighting that can be customized to set the perfect mood. The spacious lounge area features a plush L-shaped sofa that can easily convert into an extra sleeping space when needed, accompanied by a smart entertainment system with a large 4K display, surround sound speakers, and streaming capabilities. The motorhome comes equipped with Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system, seamlessly integrated into both the driver's cockpit and the living space, allowing easy control of climate, lighting, and multimedia. The kitchen is a gourmet traveler's dream. It includes a full-size refrigerator, an induction cooktop, an oven, a microwave, and a deep sink, all built into sleek cabinetry with soft-closed drawers. High-end fixtures and quartz countertops ensure that cooking on the road feels as luxurious as being at home. Clever storage solutions mean that every utensil and appliance has its place, while a fold-out dining table offers a comfortable spot to enjoy meals with a view through the expansive side windows. For coffee lovers, there's even a built espresso machine, making your mornings on the road as indulgent as possible. Moving towards the rear, the bedroom is designed for restful nights and lazy mornings. A full queen-size bed with memory foam mattress guarantees comfort, while reading lights, USB charging ports, and bedside storage keep essentials close at hand. Large windows with privacy blinds offer a balance between openness and seclusion, and a skylight above the bed lets you fall asleep under the stars. The motorhome's insulation and climate control system ensure the perfect temperature year-round, whether you're in a snowy landscape or a desert heatwave. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a full standing shower with rainfall and handheld options, a modern vanity with LED mirror, and a high-efficiency toilet. Premium finishes like marble effect walls and chrome fixtures make it feel like a luxury hotel bathroom rather than something you'd find in a vehicle. A clever ventilation system keeps the space fresh, and heated floors add an extra touch of comfort during colder months. Underneath the beauty and comfort lies advanced engineering. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, offering remarkable fuel efficiency without compromising on power. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride even on rough roads, while advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras make driving a large vehicle feel effortless. Off-grid capability is another highlight, with solar panels integrated into the roof, a large battery bank, and a smart energy management system that allows you to stay powered even in remote locations. Practicality is key in this motorhome, and Mercedes has integrated generous exterior storage compartments for luggage, sports gear, and camping equipment. A retractable awning provides shade for outdoor relaxation, and optional add-ons like an outdoor kitchen module or bicycle rack make it easy to tailor the vehicle to your lifestyle. For tech enthusiasts, the motorhome offers high-speed satellite, internet connectivity, multiple USB-C charging points, and wireless charging pads throughout the interior. Safety has always been a hallmark of Mercedes-Benz, and the 2026 motorhome is no exception. The reinforced body structure, multiple airbags, stability control, and advanced braking systems provide peace of mind for every journey. The vehicle also features an emergency call system, GPS tracking, and remote access through a smartphone app that lets you monitor systems, lock or unlock doors, and even pre-cool or preheat the interior before stepping inside. For those who value sustainability, Mercedes has ensured that the materials used inside are eco-friendly where possible, including recycled textiles, sustainably sourced wood, and low-emission manufacturing processes. Combined with its hybrid powertrain and renewable energy features, the motorhome represents a step forward in environmentally responsible luxury travel. Whether you're setting out for a weekend getaway, embarking on a months-long cross-country adventure, or even living on the road full-time, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome delivers an unparalleled experience. It's more than just transportation, it's a fully equipped mobile home that offers freedom without sacrificing comfort, performance, or style. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, exquisite craftsmanship, and practical functionality, it stands as a benchmark for the future of motorhomes. This model doesn't just keep up with modern expectations, it redefines them. The moment you take the wheel and feel the smooth, quiet power of its drivetrain, or settle into the lounge after a day of exploring, you understand that Mercedes has designed this vehicle not just for travel, but for living well. It's a reminder that home can be wherever the road takes you. And in a 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, that home is nothing short of extraordinary.